In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show yourself as busy on Google Calendar. Whether you're trying to block out time for a work project, a personal appointment, or some much needed downtime, marking yourself as busy on your calendar can help ensure you have uninterrupted time. Let's walk through the process step by step to get you started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Calendar. This can easily be done by navigating to calendargoogle.com on your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can see your schedule as well as any events you have lined up for the day, week, or month. Once you're in, you have two choices to consider. You can either create a new event or choose to edit an existing one, depending on what you want to mark as busy time. If you're opting to create a new event, simply click on the desired day and time, or hit the Create button to start from scratch. Now, if there's an existing event that needs editing, you'll want to click directly on that event to dive into its details. Once you're focused on the event you want to alter or create, you'll notice a pencil icon. This is your editing tool. Go ahead and click that pencil to open up the full event details. Inside the event details, we want to direct our attention to the drop-down menu located next to the briefcase icon. This might require a bit of scrolling or searching among other icons and options that appear. This menu is key as it determines how others see your availability on the calendar. Go ahead and click the drop-down menu to reveal several options. What we're looking for here is the option labeled Busy. Select Busy from the list. By doing this, you're designating this particular block of time as occupied, making it clear to others who might view your calendar that you're unavailable. Now it's time to lock in your changes. This part is crucial, so don't forget it. You're going to want to scroll down and click the Save button to ensure all the changes you've made are applied to the event. Once you hit Save, your calendar will be refreshed, and you'll notice that the selected time slot is now officially marked as busy. And there you have it. You've successfully marked yourself as busy on Google Calendar. By mastering this straightforward task, you can manage your schedule more effectively, ensuring you have time set apart for all the activities that matter to you, whether they be personal or professional. Remember, the ability to control how your time is displayed on your calendar is a handy skill that helps organize your daily life with clarity and effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide assists you in managing your time more efficiently.